Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to remove dye from your frontal. It's very easy, and I messed up my frontal obviously when I tried to dye my hair black. So I fixed it with Color Oops. In the container it comes with two bottles. One is the activator, one is the actual remover, and a little top so that you can just squirt it on whatever it would be. But since it's just my frontal, I'm going to use the mixing bowl for it. I started out with just a little bit of each because in my head I was thinking I only made a little mess since it's just my frontal, so I just need a little bit. But who am I? Never did this before, so I decided to use all of it. And whatever I don't use, of course I can just throw it away. The product is amazing, y'all, but the smell is horrible. I can't even describe it, but it's super disgusting. So brace yourself before you use it. So just like anything else, you mix it, and as y'all can see, it's very liquidy. It's no type of thickness to it at all. Like, it's just almost like water. So when I'm putting it on there, I'm gonna have to be really careful, and so will you all. Give it one more chance. Give it one more chance. So since my unit is already made, now I just need to flip it inside out so that just the frontal is exposed. Of course, if you don't have a unit already made, just flip your frontal out. But since I did, obvious reasons, I need to flip it inside out. And since it's so thin, like the liquid, I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time and apply it where I need to. I'm holding the frontal up like that because I don't want it to just completely bleed all the way through. With my luck, it's still gonna bleed through, but I don't want it to bleed all over my hair. I'd rather it just hit the roots. So I'm just going to keep it lifted up as I do it and just hit the black spots that I need to remove. And there's no specific amount of times that you need to go over each spot with the color removal. Just make sure that it's well saturated. Every piece of color that you're trying to get off of there, make sure it's well saturated. And if you can, do it to where it's not going to bleed through. But of course, there's always fixes for that. Now I'm just gonna lay it down on this plastic bag so that it can process. And I'm gonna move all of the little hairs out the way. In between the scalp, you can see how it's glistening. And it's glistening everywhere from left all the way to the right because I messed this frontal up, y'all. I don't know what was going on, what I was thinking, but I'm thankful that I found a solution. Yo, now this deserves a moment of silence because I did not think that it was gonna take all of this black off like this. There's still a little bit of black close to the stitching on the bottom, but I probably didn't put enough product on there. But look at it, bomb. And of course, leave it up to me. I let it bleed through. That's not the only place it bled through on. But again, that can be fixed several ways. I usually fix mine with a rinse. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to do that, I'll be more than happy to show you. But what I'm going to do is flip it back over. And I'm going to let it process for just a little while longer, just to see what type of results I can get. See, this is perfect. Exactly what I was going for. So now my frontal is the same color as my scalp, and I just need to rinse the product out. After rinsing the product out, just condition it with any conditioner of your choice, and that's about it. That is the end. So we went from having a frontal that was horrible and needed to be placed in the trash to it looking like it never happened. So like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought, and I will see you guys next time.